We've got our hands on another Shadows of the Galaxy booster pack. Every card inside ties back to the underworld, to syndicates and scoundrels who thrive where the Empire's light doesn't reach. Let's see what the shadows reveal. Ray, more than a scavenger. Spice mines. Covert strength. Hutt's henchmen. Pillage. Follower of the way. Modded cohort. Death Watch loyalist. Resourceful pursuers. No bargain. Liberated slaves. Freetown backup. Concord Dawn interceptors. Frozen in carbonite. A grateful art card. Palpatine's Return. A great card for bringing a powerful unit back from the discard pile. And our last card, Weakway Pirate Gang. A nice looking hyperspace foil.